Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all doing amazing today. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of online bootcamps. Whether you're looking to level up your skills or kickstart a new career, online bootcamps have become a popular option for many of us. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the top 5 online bootcamps you need to know about. Number 5 on our list is Bootcamp Academy. With its wide range of programs and flexible schedules, Bootcamp Academy offers something for everyone. From coding and web development to data science and digital marketing, they've got you covered. They provide comprehensive curricula, expert instructors, and hands-on projects to ensure you gain practical skills. Plus, their strong alumni network and career services can help you land that dream job. So, if you're looking for a well-rounded learning experience, don't miss out on Bootcamp Academy. Moving on to number 4, we have Codemasters Bootcamp. If you're passionate about coding and software development, this bootcamp might be your perfect fit. Codemasters Bootcamp offers intensive coding programs that cover various languages and frameworks. Their curriculum is designed to provide you with a deep understanding of coding concepts and real-world applications. With experienced mentors guiding you every step of the way, you'll have the support you need to succeed in this rapidly evolving field. Coming in at number 3 is Design Pro Bootcamp. If you have a flair for design and want to turn your creativity into a career, this bootcamp is worth considering. Design Pro Bootcamp offers comprehensive design courses, including graphic design, UI/UX design, and motion graphics. Their expert-led classes and hands-on projects will help you develop a strong portfolio to showcase your skills to potential employers. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upskill, Design Pro Bootcamp has the resources to help you become a design pro. Now, let's talk about number 2 on our list, Data Crunch Bootcamp. In the era of big data, understanding and analyzing data is becoming increasingly important. Data Crunch Bootcamp offers immersive programs that cover data analytics, machine learning, and data visualization. Their curriculum focuses on practical application, ensuring you gain the skills necessary to excel in the data-driven industry. With industry-relevant projects and mentor support, Data Crunch Bootcamp sets you up for success in the world of data. And finally, drumroll please. Our number 1 online bootcamp is Startup Success Bootcamp. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or looking to join a startup, this bootcamp provides a holistic learning experience. Startup Success Bootcamp offers a range of courses, including business development, marketing strategies, and financial planning. They bring in successful entrepreneurs as guest speakers, giving you valuable insights and inspiration. With their guidance, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in the startup ecosystem. And that concludes our list of the top 5 online boot camps. Whether you're seeking to enhance your coding skills, dive into design, analyze data, or start your entrepreneurial journey, these boot camps have got you covered. Remember, the links to all the boot camps mentioned in this video are in the description box below. So, go ahead and check them out. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our future videos. So go ahead,